Welcome. In this video I will show you how to mirror your Android smartphone screen to your Panasonic W70 TV. To do that, you're gonna have to make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So on your TV, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open settings, and then go to network and internet settings. Make sure that the Wi-Fi is turned on and make sure that you can see the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. And after that, grab your Android device, swipe down the control center to see which Wi-Fi network it is connected to, and make sure that it's the same one as on your TV. After that, we're gonna have to swipe down the control center on our Android phone once again and find the cast dial. It will look somewhat like this. Sometimes a little bit different, but it's usually a rectangular shape with a Wi-Fi icon within it. And if you don't see it, then tap the edit icon, and then let's add a cast icon. You can find it on Google Pixel. You can find it in connectivity menu. And once you add it to your quick settings menu, tap on it, and then select your Panasonic TV from the list. Then you'll be able to choose whether you want to cast one application or entire screen. If you cast one application, you're going to have to select this app. If you want to cast the entire screen, just select this option and select cast screen. After that, screencast will begin, and now you can open any application on your smartphone to cast it. If you open YouTube, for example, and start streaming a video, it will be streaming in the full screen mode. So let me open YouTube video here, for example, and let me start this video. Let me skip the ads for it. And as you can see, it is streaming in the full screen mode. We can control the volume level on our smartphone. Okay, so the volume controls are divided between the smartphone and the TV. Basically, increasing the volume level on the smartphone will actually increase the volume on the TV, but it will not give us the maximum level unless we set the maximum level on with our TV remote control. So when you want to stop the casting, just return to your home to your control center and tap on the cast icon once again, select disconnect, and you'll be disconnected from your TV. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.